huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa sa buhay. Lumaban kayo ng lumaban. Hanggat kaya nyo, lumaban kayo ng lumaban. Huwag kayong makikinig sa mga sinasabi ng tao na hindi nyo kayang gawin.
Shining Angels. Hi Angels, it's Miss Kim. I talk about self-growth and self-love on my channel. For more updates and videos, hit the subscribe button. If you have subscribed on my channel already, I am grateful. I'm so grateful from the bottom of my heart. We upload every Mondays. Did you have a great weekend? I had a great weekend as well. So I hope you had a great weekend. Today, I'm doing a podcast with my special guest. Yes, guys, I had a special guest today. He's my friend, my best friend. We grew up together. To me, he embodied the real meaning, the true meaning of hope. Please welcome my special guest, my best friend. Please introduce yourself for us.
Hi viewers, my name is Ben Zurtello. My family call me Paolo and I'm 27 years old. I came from Olongapo City, born in Zambales. I represent here hope because I was born in a whole heart in my heart.
You have a hole in your heart.
Yes.
Yes, okay. So I have a few questions that I prepared for you to answer, best friend, BFF, Buddy.
Okay.
I usually call him Buddy because that's just like how we talk to each other. We're pretty close. Actually, we live together, right? So yeah. So I prepared a question. Thank you so much for being here with me.
Yes, I appreciate it.
Anyway, so my question for you, it's not a pageant, okay? You will just answer the questions. Anyway, Buddy, what age are you when you found out that you have a hole in your heart?
I found out, I can't remember, but actually I'm 7 years old, and I realized that I have a hole heart.
You have a hole in your heart.
Yes. And then I feel like I'm drowning and
You're drowning.
drowning.
Drowning, oh my God. Natatawa ako, Buddy. Yeah, you're what?
I'm drowning.
You're down, you feel that. Sige, Tagalogin mo na lang. Pwede mong Tagalogin. Isa-sub ko na lang. For my viewers to understand.
Yes. Para maintindihan Tagalog na lang.
Oo nga, kasi pinapahirapan pa ang self. Anyway,
Yes.
so you don't really remember the age that you are when you
Hindi
found
ko talaga-
out the ano.
Hindi ko maalala.
Okay. Anyway, my next question for you, how did your parents cope up when they found out that you have a hole in your heart?
Siyempre.
Na like, pinanganak ka na may hole yung heart mo.
Siyempre, nalungkot naman sila. Nag-alala sila sa akin na ganun yung nangyari sa akin. Nagkaroon ako ng problema sa puso. And hindi rin naman nila kasalanan.
Yeah.
Wala rin may kasalanan. Pero, ayun, ginabayan nila ako sa mga bawal until, diba ginabayan nila ako sa mga bawal. Hanggang sa, eto, lumaki na ako. Nakasurvive ako sa age ng 7. Hanggang ngayon.
Ang galing, no? 27 years
Yes,
old
I'm
ka na.
27
By the way,
years
di ba
old.
sinabi sa'yo ng doctor before na ganitong age na lang?
Yes, may sinabi ng doc sa akin, sa pamilya ko rin, sa mama ko, na meron daw akong taning sa buhay. Age of 7 by 7. 7, 14, 21, 27. Yes.
Okay.
So, last tanning ko is 27.
But still,
Yeah.
you're so, alam mo si Buddy, siya yung ugali, yung person na, personality niya is, kahit na ganito yung napagdadaanan niya, although, he didn't treat it as dagok or struggle, you know. Struggle siya, pero sa amin, kaya parang nakikita niyo, parang ang saya, tumatawa kami, parang nagmumukha siyang parang jolly, but to be honest with you, ganun lang talaga yung personality namin sa isa't isa. Kumbaga, hindi niya kasi dinaramdam na meron pala siyang pinagdadaan ng ganung sakit. Kung titingnan mo siya, parang wala lang.
Parang wala lang. Normal lang, ganun.
Yeah. So, for me, kaya nga sabi ko kanina, he really represent or embodied the meaning of hope for me. Because growing up, I saw that kind of gratitude and perseverance and strength sa kanya. Okay. Anyway, next question. How do you see life? Paano mo nakikita ang buhay? Kung sa perspective mo, in your own point of view, how do you see life?
Para sa akin, nakikita ko lang sa buhay ko na tulad nga, di ba, may sakit ako sa puso. So, pag ginagawa ko lang sa buhay ko, patuloy lang ako.
Oo.
Tama. Ginagawa ko, patuloy lang ako. Kung kaya kong gawin, ginagawa ko hanggat aking makakaya. Pero pag hindi ko na kaya, bawala talaga. Hindi na.
What do you mean?
Na,
like?
pag hindi na kaya ng sarili ko, give up na. Duwag na.
Oo. Pero ngayon, sinusubukan mo lumaban.
Yes, sinusubukan kong lumaban.
In short, how do you see life? You see life as what?
Pagsubok.
Pagsubok. So, para sa'yo, ang life, you see it as a test. Life is a test.
Life is a test.
Like,
kasi hindi ko naman alam na baka bukas, kinabukasan, or makalawa. Di ba?
Actually, lahat naman tayo ganun. Hindi lang naman ikaw eh. Kasi, ikaw, nagkataon lang, may problema ka sa katawan. Pero lahat naman tayo, hindi natin alam kung kailan talaga tayo kukunin. Kaya nga, habang buhay, may pag-asa.
Yeah.
Right? Anyway, another question for you. What inspires you to move forward and keep going?
Yung mga sinasabi sa akin ng mga tao na hindi ko nga daw kaya, hindi ko kaya yung ganito, hindi mo kayang gawin yung ganyan. Pero, ginagawa ko sa sarili ko para sa akin na kaya ko kahit may problema ako sa puso, na mabilis akong papagod, na pag ginawa ko yung ganito, mapapagod ka, magiging cause ng ano mo yan, alam mo na yun, magiging cause. Pero hindi, inaano ko pa rin, ginagawa kong inspiration yung mga sinasabi nila, mas nagiging matatag ako doon sa mga sinasabi nila na bad side about sa sakit ko, hindi ko nga kayang ganun. Pero pinagpapatuloy ko pa rin. Pero nandun pa rin yung kaba na baka sa ginagawa ko pa rin ganito, baka maging cause ng ano.
Ng pagkawala mo.
Yes. Kaya yung naging inspiration. Hanggang ngayon, yung pa rin yung inspiration ko. Inspiration ko rin yung mga tao na sa maligid ko. Kasi sila yung mas pinapapatatag nila yung sarili ko na.
Ano yung mga sinasabi ng mga tao sa'yo? Good or bad?
Merong bad, merong good.
Okay. So you listen more in which one? The good or the bad?
Parehas.
Parehas.
Oo. Tapos sinabi ko sa sarili ko na,
alright,
pag sinasabi sa ako ng bad, ganito, ginagawa ko yung kaya ko. Tapos yung good, yun naman yung ginagawa ko para mas maging, mas tumagal pa ako.
Very
yun yung
good.
naging inspiration ko sa mga tao sinasabi sa akin.
So you use those negativity as your strength and at the same time, the good ones, you use it as inspiration.
Yes.
Wow, that's good, Budi. I'm a proud mom. Kasi, para na rin niya akong nanay kasi I had him with me since what age? Kasama kita? 8, no?
Yes.
8. And then, nung 21, 22 ako, I think, then nandito siya noon. So, I kinda raised him. I taught him a lot of things. So, ganyan siya kapalaban. But however, palaban talaga siya. He taught me a lot of things too as well on my side to be more strong when it comes to sickness, yung mga ganon. Kasi ako, just like on my past video, if you haven't watched my past videos, you can just check it there. I talk about health anxiety. You call it health anxiety. However, hindi lang health anxiety, meron ako madami ding part doon. So, I used him as an example to give you guys courage na, kumbaga, for me, anxiety lang to eh. Kayang-kaya ko tong i-control. Kayang-kaya ko siyang i-reverse. Kayang-kaya ko siyang ayusin. Kung yung iba sabihin nila, hindi, anxiety yan, mental health yan. You know, sa kanya may hole siya sa puso niya.
Yes,
but
butas.
still, he chose to be courageous and grateful sa buhay niya, and he chose to live,
Yes.
not to complain, you know. So, for me, having health anxiety before, akala ko, baka mamaya may sakit na ako sa puso. I did a lot of checkups with the doctor. Naging addiction ko yon kasi nga, feeling ko, rest assurance yung hinihingi ko sa mga doctors na pag binigyan nila ako ng ganitong result is, I feel safe kasi wala akong sakit sa puso. So, looking back at him, kasi mostly I stayed in Manila, so looking back at him, remembering him na, si Budi nga, he doesn't even have this type of mentality, out-knowing sa kanya. Mas may evidence. Sa akin, wala akong evidence. So, I used him as my inspiration to also face my fears, you know, to face my fears and to see that there is hope in life. Hindi dahil may anxiety ka, hindi dahil may sakit ka, or kung ano man yan yung katulad mo, na may mga tao din for sure na mapapanood to na they are born like that.
Yes.
To be courageous and to be strong and a fighter as a warrior, na it's not the end of life, you know, to keep going.
Yes,
okay?
Hindi pa talaga.
So, okay, Budi, what is hope to you? Like, if you're going to define hope, what is hope to you? Sa mga viewers ko pala and outside of the country, for the viewers, from my viewers that is outside in the country, I apologize for speaking Tagalog because I'm based in the Philippines, or we're Filipinos, so there are more Tagalogs in these vlogs because for Budi, that's the best language for us to both understand each other and comprehend, and we target those people that is going to be inspired of the video. Anyway, going back to the question, what is hope to you?
Para sa akin, pag-asa. Nandiyan lang kasi yun yung pag-asa eh. Nandiyan lang yan. Hindi,
nandiyan nga lang yung pag-asa. Sasakay ka lang ng jeep. Anyway.
Nandiyan lang yung pag-asa. Kailangan, wag ka lang mawalan, wag kang mawalan ng pag-asa sa buhay. Na porket may sakit ka sa puso, ganito na, pwede kang mawala, kung ano man mangyari sa iyo kasi nga 'di ba meron kang problema sa puso. Pero hindi yun ang tawag dito. Hindi yun hadlang.
Yes.
Hindi hadlang yung sakit mo sa puso para mawalan ka ng pag-asa.
Or hindi lang sakit sa puso, like in any instances na meron ka, it's not like the end of the journey of life.
Yes, hindi talaga. Lumaban ka lang ng lumaban.
Unless na si Lord na yung nag-decide, kung di man siya naniniwala kay Lord, unless the universe or yung pagkakataon na yun is going to take that life away from you, then it's done. But until you wake up in the morning, there is still hope.
Yes, palagi talaga yun.
Yeah.
Araw-araw yun.
So, what is hope to you is to keep going.
Yes, to keep going, kamawalan ng pag-asa.
Alright, Budi, meron ka ba sasabihin sa mga viewers mo? Like, for those people that is watching this podcast right now, what do you want
Para sa mga viewers na manunod man sa vlog na to, isa lang masasabi ko sa tulad ko may mga sakit sa puso. Huwag kayong mawala ng pag-asa sa buhay. Lumaban kayo ng lumaban. Hanggat kaya nyo, lumaban kayo ng lumaban. Huwag kayong makikinig sa mga sinasabi ng tao na hindi nyo kayang gawin to. Kasi magiging cause niya ng pagkawala. Huwag ganun. Huwag nyo iisipin. Kasi the more na iisipin mo yun, the more na didibdibin mo yung sakit mo, the more na ma-stress ka. At parang mawawalan ka ng pag-asa sa buhay na bakit ganito? Tinatanong mo sa sarili mo na bakit? Kasi ganun din. Tinanong ko rin yung sarili ko, bakit ako pa? Bakit ako nagkaroon ng ganito? Sa magkakapatid, ako lang talaga. Dahil alam ko rin naman kung ano naging cause. Yun nga. Hindi ako nawalan ng pag-asa. Kaya sa lahat ng mga viewers dyan or sa manunood man, nasaan man kayo ng lupalo, huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa. Keep going and keep going.
Right.
Yan lang yung masasabi ko sa mga viewers at manunood.
Yeah. Anyway, however, just like what I said earlier, Kasi ako, magsasabi lang ako na he inspired me a lot. And I asked him to guest here in my podcast tonight because it's already currently 6 p.m. here in our country. So, ayun nga, he inspired me a lot, showing me to be courageous and to keep going in life. So, for me, my best friend really embodied hope. Because seeing him every day, nakikita ko na there is always hope na only time can tell kung ano talagang mangyayari bukas. Hindi mo pwedeng pangunahan, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na ayaw mo na. Kumbaga, hanggat binibigyan ka lang, kasi one shot lang eh. It's only one shot of life, then you have to be very grateful and treat it like it's a gift from God or the universe, whatever you believe. Kasi ako, I'm a believer of Christ. Amen. So, God gave this life for us to choose to live, not to destroy it, but to live. Alright? So, that's it for this podcast or whatever you call it vlog. I'm so happy. Thank you for being here, Budi. I'm so happy. Anyway, if you are watching this vlog, I hope it inspired you. And we love you so much. I'm gonna be uploading more videos on Monday. Thank you so much for watching video. Thank you so much for watching this video. We love you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next on my next video. Thank you, Bud.